Kuala Lumpur. I am with Malaysian Master Chef Judge, Chef Joe. And Chef Joe, we are in your restaurant kitchen, Symphony by Chef Joe over in DC Mall in Damansara. I don't know why I struggle to say Damansara. In Damansara, Chef, what are we making?
Okay, this is next dish. This is a specialty of the house, and it's a very, I can call it as one of celebrity dish. All my guests coming in, they're looking for this dish.
Is that right?
This is a very classic dish. It comes from Negeri Sembilan, Masak Lemak.
That's my home state, Negeri Sembilan, Masak Lemak.
We already eclectic it to international flavor.
Right. So this is the theme of Chef Joe's Symphony restaurant is that the vibe is eclectic, right? So everything is not. We don't want to say fusion, we say eclectic, all right? Because it's all.
We still remain the originality of the product.
Yeah, we maintain the originality of the product. All right. So this is a mussel dish, and we are using a creamy sauce. Can you tell me a little bit about the sauce? Because it's quite interesting. I thought it was actually coconut cream, but it's not.
Okay, here what I use the palm oil cream.
Palm coconut cream.
Yeah, coconut cream. It's similar to coconut cream.
Yeah.
But they have no coconut smell.
Right.
The stability is better than coconut cream.
Right. Okay. So in Malaysia, because Malaysia is a great palm oil producer, right? So you can actually get palm coconut cream over here, which is a more stable product. But of course you can use normal coconut cream as well, right? Okay. So let's see how it's made.
This is quite very simple one and very fast.
Very simple, very fast. Awesome. Okay. Guys, there you go. That was a quick and easy dish, wasn't it, Chef? That was called Turmeric Mussels, and it is actually inspired by my home state of Negeri Sembilan. Chef, there you go. Don't forget, you can use coconut cream instead of palm cream, right? But we use it here because it's more stable a product.
If you don't want to use coconut cream, you can also use milk or your normal cream.
Yeah, and if you don't want to use mussels, you can use something else. Right, okay, there you go.
You can use clam, or you can use prawn.
Yeah, you can use clams or prawns. So look out for the recipe courtesy of Chef Joe at jackiem.com.au and elsewhere online. All right, I'll see you soon.